Financial well-being is a big part of overall holistic wellness. Therefore, we cannot advocate for financial well-being in isolation. And in this video, I'm going to discuss why holistic wellness is important. Hi guys, welcome to another video on Money Adventures with TK. It is Sunday the 3rd of September and I get to spend the day with the Standard Lesotho Bank team as they celebrate their Spring Health Day. So today is really all about physical activity, it's about teamwork, it's about mental well-being, and it is also about financial well-being. So my job here today is just to really talk to the Standard Lesotho Bank team about the importance of taking care of the financial well-being. So stay tuned and join me as I show you what happened on the day.
Every 3 minutes. So team one is where Mamonana. It's Amae. 3 minutes later, team 3 minutes later, team 3. And if you cannot wear it, it's very 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go team one, go.
Jump over. So hard.
We are all here. Let's go.
What else?
Read the instructions. How does our physical well-being impact our finances? The truth is, if we do not take care of our bodies, we are making our bodies very prone to illness. And when we are sick, chances of us spending money are very high, either spending money on medication, using our medical aid or hospitalization plan, or out-of-pocket spending where we will have to go to a pharmacy or a doctor to spend money. So it is important for us to exercise and to also do so very intentionally so that we don't injure ourselves doing exercise. So physical activity plays a big part when it comes to managing our finances in totality. So get moving and get exercising so that you reduce the likelihood of you falling sick and therefore spending your money. When it comes to taking care of our mental well-being and of course the social pillar, relationships play a big part when it comes to our finances, because if we are not in good terms with our families, our loved ones or our significant other, the likelihood of us spending money is also very high. So it is important for us to nurture and work on those relationships. When it comes to our mental well-being, if you don't take care of your mental health, the likelihood of it affecting your finances are also very high. So I do encourage us to invest in our mental health being, speak to a qualified psychologist or a counselor and work through those issues so that at least we can minimize the likelihood of unnecessary financial spending. So, What financial tips did I share with the Standard Bank team? Number one, we need to take stock of where we are in terms of our financial position. So it is very important to check your vitals, your financial vitals rather, your savings ratio, your expense to income ratio, your debt service ratio, and of course your net worth calculation. Secondly, it is important for us to save for rainy days, because if we don't have savings, the likelihood of us taking unnecessary debt are very, very high. Number three, talking about debt. How we use debt and how we manage it also can break or make our finances. So it is very important for us, particularly people in the financial services industry, to be cognizant of how we use debt. Number four, the importance of starting investing early. Fortunately for that day, there was a Lesotho that was also available, talking about collective investment schemes, which is another way that you can start your investment journey. Number five, you need to protect your most valuable possessions through insurance. And luckily on the day, Liberty Life was also in the midst of the festivities. So that was my day, and those are the tips that I shared with the Standard Bank team. And of course, it is now time for us to shake our booties and get on the dance floor. Let's do this.
Rita Bile!